Today I will show you how to plan a trip using Claude AI. First, you need to identify the place that you are traveling to and how many days you're going to be staying there. To give you an example, let's say I want to stay 1 week in France. So I will put in the prompt, create a 1-week itinerary for a trip to France. Once you click enter, Claude will ask you a set of questions to know your preferences. Let's say I want to visit cultural sites, visit Paris and other cities, and to have a more of a relaxed visit. Once you answer those questions, Claude should start planning your trip for you. As you can see, Claude is done planning our trip. He's providing us with information, even showing us in the map the places we should visit. He even gives us information about the place that we're visiting on a specific day, with practical tips included. Now let's say you don't know what to pack and have a specific budget. You can ask Claude to make a plan based on your resources. To give you an example, I'm gonna say, create me a packing list and my budget is $10,000. Claude should make you a budget plan and packing list like this, where you can physically take things off. It even calculates your remaining budget and shows you the price of everything that you need to pay for. It even gives you a summary of all your projected expenses. In order to save this, just click this copy button, paste it somewhere convenient, and you should be set. If you want to change anything or to customize your trip even further, just add more prompts. And that's how to plan a trip with Claude AI.